Hey, everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are on pound versus the US dollar. We got a double top in play on the 4-hour time frame. Let's get into it. So, what we are looking at right now, yes, is the pound versus the dollar, but we are on the weekly, okay? This is the weekly time frame. Now, I want to show you guys something because this is going to be my target for the position that we are currently in right now. Okay, notice how back in 2016, how price came all the way and perfectly touched this price point right here, which is around the 1.165 mark, right? And then we went for a few years and we came back down during the crash of, March 2020 when the whole world was experiencing that which shall not be named on YouTube. And then we can see that the candle closed above this exact candle. It wicked below it, but it closed on this price point, right? The next week it did the same thing. It came back down, right? You can see that this was perfect support. So we had one touch here, two touches here, right? This is why this 1.165 price point is going to be my target. All right, I'm looking for a short position on GBPUSD, and I've got one on the 4-hour time frame currently. Let's check it out. So switching to the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have a double top happening right now. Let's blow this up. Let's get this bigger, 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 bigger. Come on. There we go. 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 It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Okay, there it is. There it is. All right. So let's extend this yellow zone out, which you guys know is the neckline, right? The neckline zone. So what do we have? Let's have a look. Here is one top. Boom. All right. Here is a second top. Boom. Right? Second top wicked just shy of the first peak, which is cool because when we look down at the histogram, we see divergence, which means we see the buyers weakening out, right? We don't see it across the MA lines. However, the MA lines are below the histogram, which generally indicates a bearish trend. And we can see that, right? I mean, price has been doing nothing but making lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs. So fair enough, right? So we have partial divergence on the MACD's histogram, buyers weakening out across these 2 points, telling us the sellers are coming in to take control even more. The bears are not giving up just yet. Okay, we have our 16.5 price point down here. Okay, and this is our neck zone. So what are we looking for, right? Well, we looked for price to impulsively break this area, and now you guys have heard me say it multiple times before. When I trade double tops, I only enter when price retraces right to the top of the neckline, right to the top. I've said it before and I will say it again. Some traders will enter when price touches the bottom of the neck zone, which in this case happened on the 11th, right there. I, however, am a patient swing trader. I will not enter unless all my requirements are met. And when I do double tops and double bottoms, I like it to be right at the top of the neckline zone. And we can see that in the last few hours this morning, we had this candle touch our entry, which triggered our short position. Now my target for this is going to be the 16.5 level, the 1.165 level, which is down here. And the reason for that is when we switch back to the weekly, let's do that quickly. I want to show you guys something pretty interesting. Right, let's shrink this down. And now, excuse me while okay, you know what? No, this is fine. Look here. Do you see how there is nothing going on here? It's emptiness. It's a void, right? This whole area here can be called a gap, right? There is nothing stopping price from this region to this region. This is why this is my target, because price has nowhere to go. There aren't any previous support or resistance areas here. You see that? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Right. If I choose that target, that gives me a possible risk to reward of let's check it out. Now this depends where you place your stop, right? But we can easily get a 1 to 4, even a 1 to 5, even a 1 to 6, even a 1 to 7, even a 1 to 8, even a 1 to 9. I would go so far as to say you could even get a 1 to 10. But this all depends where you place your stop. Now, my stop was placed above this area right here, which was previous support, looking left, support, flip to resistance, right? Price went through it a few times, and I am not greedy. I'm very, very patient. I am only looking for a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk to reward on this setup. So we had our short position triggered. We are running short, and let's have a look and see how this thing plays out. Guys, on that note, let's wrap up today's video. Pretty self-explanatory. If you want any more information on double tops and double bottoms, I'm going to link our educational course in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Check it out. It explains everything about double tops and double bottoms, and it is continuing to, it will be updated all the time, right? We are updating constantly. So check that out. And on that note, I'm going to bid you all a fantastic Wednesday. Hope you all have a great day. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. And I will be seeing you all in the next video. Thanks again for watching. See you later.